Hi, good evening. Indira Shah here. Today I'll be preparing Dakor special. That is Gujarat. Dakor is a temple in Gujarat. So there you get this gota. This is the Dakor special. They say Gujarati snack gota. Gota is a kind of pakodi or vada or something like that. Okay. I have taken in this measurement about 1.5 cup of gram flour, kadle hittu. You can take any measurement. Okay. For 1.5 cup, I have taken half a cup of rava, the big rava. Actually, you have to have the coarse flour of gram flour, but I don't have the coarse flour, so I have taken the rava. You can take the rava. Okay, for 1.5 cup of this, I am taking half rava. Okay, then you need to add salt. Here, add the required salt. Okay, then sugar is a must in any Gujarati dish. Yes, the gota tastes fantastic when you add sugar. This is around 1 spoon of sugar. Okay, then you have to take a very small spoon. In this spoon I have taken 1 dhania, about 10 peppercorns, half fennel seeds and half jeera powder. This you have to pound it to a coarse, the powder should be coarse, not fine. Okay, let me powder that. Then add garam masala. Garam masala just a quarter spoon. Then this is methi bhaji. Methi bhaji means the fresh fenugreek leaves. This I have washed and cut. Okay, now add that also. Okay, now you need to what do you call, pound this to coarse. Let me just powder it and show you. Now this is coarsely powdered. This is dhania, jeera, pepper and fennel seeds. Add it to this. Now you have to dry grind green chili and ginger. Okay, green chili and ginger. This is according to the taste, however pungent you need. Now you have to mix everything. This is soda we will add it later when we add the oil, hot oil. Now take a vessel like this. You know, the edges should be like this. I'll tell you why the edges should be like that. Mix it well. All the salt, sugar, everything should be mixed well. And the rava, the masalas. Gota will be very tasty. Please try this and give me your sincere feedback. Now add the soda. Just pinch of soda. On the soda you have oil that is heated. Okay, here you will have a sizzling sound. You should have that sizzling sound. Now wait for a moment till the oil becomes little cool, otherwise you may burn your hand. Okay, mix it well. Okay, now you need to add water little by little. When you mix, you know, you can feel the rava, that coarse flour, you know, that coarse rava, that you can feel it. You can make it with the fenugreek leaves or without. So when you add it, it becomes methi bhaji gota. Otherwise it is just the gota. This will be very tasty. You know, on a rainy day, my God. after mixing, just rest it for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's all, not more than that. You can add little haldi if you want. Let me add it now. Anyway, that is optional. Haldi is always good for health. Add little more water. So don't add water more, okay? Or when you mix, add little by little. The consistency is important. Here, it should be this consistency. Okay? Now let it rest for 10 minutes. I'll just come back to you. See, the oil is hot. Just to check. Here, the oil has come up. Okay? Once the oil is hot, bring the gas to the medium flame. Okay? Now dip your fingers in the water and take it like this. Here you have to swipe here. That's why I told you take a vessel like this. This is methi bhaji gota. Here you have to swipe like this and then take it. Let it be on the medium flame. Here. See how round it is. So when you take it, swipe this at the edge here. So you will have a round shaped vada. Otherwise you will have, amoeba shaped. Fry it on medium flame. Okay? Gota should not become black. It should be brown and it should be cooked well inside. Otherwise the inner part will be raw. When you eat, you will have the aroma of the dhania, the fennel seeds, the jeera, the pepper, the methi leaves. Wow, this will be fantastic. People who visit Dakor, they never forget to eat the Dakor gota. It's famous there. Here. Now you can remove it. Let me just show you again. Here, take it and swipe it here in the corner. Here. Do not immediately, okay? Otherwise the gota may break. Look at the oval round shaped gota here. That's because of the edge here. You have to swipe it like this and put it. whenever you make any kind of bonda or vada, you know, just take it and swipe it here at the edge and put it. You get a round shape. You can try it next time. See, now you can flip it slowly. While flipping, be careful. Here the methi bhaji gotai is ready. Trust me, this is really good. It will be very good. You all will love it. Please make it and give me your sincere feedback. Let me just show you here. Here, this will be very tasty. Trust me. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. Hope you like the video. If you want any changes in it, please be frank in telling me. Thank you again. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and press the bell button for notification. Thank you. This is with Vela. Bye bye. This goes well with ketchup or green chutney. The pungent green chutney will be very tasty. Anyway, I didn't make the chutney. I have the tomato sauce and then this tomato chutney which goes well with this. So it's your choice to eat with anything or even without anything you can eat it. Thank you.